Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye! He tui!
Yes, it's the tui. The tui loves to sing. It is the first to sing in the morning, ata, and the last to sing in the evening, ahi ahi.
Ata, morning. Ahi ahi, evening.
Yes, the tui loves to sing. And do you know what else they love to do?
Aiwa!
They love to kanikani, dance.
Oh, yay!
Kuarite mai koutou?
Aye!
E tū tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us?
Me kanikani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, te tai o moena e hoa mā. Matike, maranga, me tina tatata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Taika o matino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to i huroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa mā? Matike, maranga.
What is that tui has given to you?
Aua!
Tākaro Tribe. That's Pāpā Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what tui gave to you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Did you enjoy dancing with the tui?
Aira!
Don't care. Awesome. I see you've brought something along with you. Do you know what it is?
Aua!
The face is porofita, round. It also has numbers on it. What do you think they're for?
To show the time.
Tino pai, to show the time. Let's count the numbers on the clock. Tahi,
Rewa, toru,
wha, rima,
ono,
fitu,
waru, iwa,
te kou, te kou mātahi, te kou mārua. Whew, that was a lot of numbers, but you did it. Ka wani ke Tākaro Tribe. Do you know what that is yet? It's a karaka.
Karaka.
What time do you think it is now?
Awa.
It's time for us to visit some friends.
Kōwhai. That's my colour. He tapatoru kōwhai.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. The tamariki are learning to tell the time. The long hand shows minutes, and the short hand shows hours. Most clocks are porofita, round. Some are nui, big. Some are iti, small. Digital clocks, karaka mati, are different, but they tell you the time too. Clocks are important because they help you to be on time.
Karaka.
This is the letter K.
K.
Shall we learn how to write the letter K?
Aye.
K. Make a line down the side. Then draw another line from the top across to the left. Then draw down to the right. Hapai. Let's do it again. Down the side. Then down to the left. And down to the right. K.
Yay!
Tauke. Awesome. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
What did you learn about today?
Karaka.
He karaka. Let's learn to spell it.
Ka.
Do you think we need a K?
Aye. Ka.
Do you think we need a T?
Cow.
Do you think we need an A?
Aye. R.
Do you think we need a R?
Aye.
Do we need another A?
Aye. Ka.
Do we need another K?
Aye. O.
Do we need an O?
Cow. Ah.
Ehika. Do we need another A?
Aye.
Tino pai. Very good. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it.
Karaka.
What's the first letter of the word karaka?
Karaka. Ka.
Tino pai, ka. Now try sounding out the word karaka.
Ka. Ra. Ka.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
Ka. Ka. A. Ra. Re. A. Ka. Ka. A. Karaka.
Did you manage to spell the word karaka?
Ka. Ra. Ka. Karaka. Karaka. Yay!
Tino pai, very good. I knew you could do it.
Some karaka have hands that point to numbers. Digital clocks, karaka mati, only have numbers. Some are big, some are small. Karaka are taonga because they help you to be on time. Ka, ra, ka. Karaka.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Good night.
He mea tautoko nā te mā